Disclaimer: the subject matter has been produced using AI technology and can in no way be employed as fact. The AI works on articles and blogs, so may only be deemed as what others believe, not necessarily the editor of this video. This video is in no way intended as fact or intended to cause undue stress, only for entertainment value. This disclaimer is produced by Tony of Tony's Music. Thank you.
Trains have been around for centuries and have been used for many different purposes. Today, trains are still an important part of our lives and we continue to love them for many reasons. 1. Trains are efficient. They can move large numbers of people and goods quickly and efficiently. 2. Trains are environmentally friendly. They produce less pollution than cars and trucks. 3. Trains are comfortable. You can sit back and relax while someone else does the driving. 4. Trains are a great way to see the country. You can sit back and enjoy the scenery as you travel to your destination. 5. Trains are safe. They are one of the safest modes of transportation. 6. Trains are exciting. They offer a unique form of transportation that is different from anything else. 7. Trains are interesting. There is a lot of history and interesting facts surrounding trains. 8. Trains are nostalgic. For many people, trains evoke memories of a simpler time. 9. Trains are romantic. They are often associated with travel and adventure. 10. Trains are just plain cool. They are an iconic form of transportation that will always be loved.